Hello everybody and welcome to FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use an if statements using FreeBASIC. If statement is a way to make decisions. It is a mechanism to execute code only if a condition is true and can provide alternative code to execute based on more conditions. Let's just say that if the variable is true, it performs a function or displays information. In this example, I already declare a string variable named apple. The user input method shows that I want to enter a letter for an apple. So to use an if statement, just type if apple is equal to a, then print apple. Then don't forget to write the end if to close the statement, and then type sleep in the end, and then click quick run and see what happens. Enter the letter A for an apple, then it prints the A. It means if the apple is equal to A, which is true, then it prints the apple. What if I type B in this user input? It did not print the output because it is not true if apple is equal to A. What if you type B in the output? Then you need to declare else. Else means it is a statement that if previous conditions are not true, it displays alternate informations or perform alternate commands. So as you can see, else, you can type print invalid apple or no apple to show, or no apple for you. Then it prints. If I type B, then the else will print no apple for you. So what if you want to add a condition? You need to declare else if. Else if means it performs after an if statement that if true performs a function. So to use an else if, you need to type else if, then apple equals to B, then print apple again, else print and else print no apple for you, and we'll run it and see what happens. B again. And then I type B, and it displays the B also. See if I run again, and then I type A, and it also prints the A because it's true. What if I type C? It says it's no apple for you. It means it's not true. It prints the else. So that is the difference between the if, else if, and else statement. That's it for this video, and I hope you enjoy and learn a lot. And leave a like, subscribe, and share this YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.